Hey, what's up guys? It's Movie Hoarder here, back for another vampire Blu-ray unboxing. Now this is a new vampire movie I haven't heard of. It's called The Old Blood. Which sounds like a very interesting vampire movie. So there was only one left on Amazon, so I went ahead and ordered it. I really want to check this vampire movie out and see what it's about. But here it is. Love that cover. Very dark and spooky. Okay, there's a front cover, spine, and got your back, but no special features, unfortunately. Sucks, but not all movies have special features. But yeah, there's the back cover artwork. I didn't have to use the scissors. Okay. But the front cover artwork, spine, and then back cover artwork with contents. And this movie is 98 minutes long. Okay, and then here's the Blu-ray disc with a nice artwork, the same artwork as the front cover. Okay. So yeah, vampire fans, that was my quick unboxing of Old Blood here on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Thank you. Also, leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite vampire movie. Thank you.